Once upon a time, in the ancient kingdom of Aldenvale, there lived a bold and compassionate princess named Diana. Unlike many royal heirs, Diana was not content with the gilded halls of the palace or the grand feasts in her honor. She yearned for purpose and sought to understand the true struggles of her people. One fateful evening, while exploring the palace archives, Diana stumbled upon a faded map hidden inside an old leather-bound journal. The map depicted an uncharted part of the kingdom, a region shrouded in mystery and legend. Scribbled in the margins were notes referencing the Heart of Eldara, an artifact said to hold immense power capable of healing any wound, restoring crops, and even banishing darkness itself. The last entry warned, guarded by shadows, sought by the unworthy. Determined to recover the artifact for her people, who were suffering under a terrible drought and famine, Diana knew she couldn't share her plans with anyone, not even her trusted guards. The court, consumed by politics, would dismiss her quest as foolish. So, under the cover of night, she donned a humble cloak, packed essential supplies, and set out alone on her journey. Her first challenge came in the form of the Thorned Wood, a vast, foreboding forest notorious for its labyrinthine paths. The trees whispered secrets in the wind, and shadows seemed to follow her every step. While carefully studying the map, Diana heard a low growl behind her. Turning slowly, she faced a massive, black wolf with glowing amber eyes. Just as it lunged, Diana brandished a torch she had hastily lit. The flame startled the beast, but it didn't retreat. Instead, it circled her as if testing her courage. Summoning her resolve, Diana spoke firmly, "I mean no harm to your domain. Let me pass, and I shall honor this forest." To her astonishment, the wolf backed away, its amber eyes softening. It then darted ahead, pausing to glance back, as if inviting her to follow. Trusting her instincts, Diana followed the wolf, which led her safely out of the woods and to the edge of a desolate canyon. At the canyon's edge, Diana encountered an old bridge swaying precariously in the wind. A cloaked figure emerged from the shadows, blocking her path. "None may cross without proving their worth," the figure intoned. It was the keeper of the canyon, a mystical being tasked with testing those who sought Eldara. The keeper presented Diana with 3 riddles. If she answered even one incorrectly, she would be cast into the abyss below. Diana's heart pounded as she listened to the riddles, each more cryptic than the last. Drawing upon her wit and wisdom, she solved them all, earning a nod of approval from the keeper. "You are brave and clever, princess," the keeper said. "But beware, the greatest test lies ahead." The map led Diana to the Temple of Shadows, a crumbling structure carved into the side of a mountain. The entrance was guarded by 2 massive stone statues, their hollow eyes seeming to watch her every move. As she stepped inside, the air grew cold, and an unnatural darkness enveloped her. Her torch flickered weakly, but she pressed on, guided by the faint glimmer of an inscription on the wall. "Only a heart pure of intent can claim the heart of Eldara." Deeper into the temple, Diana encountered her greatest trial yet, a room filled with illusions that preyed on her fears and doubts. She saw visions of her family blaming her for abandoning her royal duties, her people suffering because of her absence, and the artifact turning to dust in her hands. Overwhelmed, she fell to her knees, questioning whether she was truly worthy. But then she remembered the faces of the starving children she had met in the villages, the desperate pleas of farmers who had lost their crops, and the hope that her quest could bring. Clutching the locket her late mother had given her, Diana rose to her feet. "I will not give up," she declared. The illusions shattered like glass, revealing a hidden doorway. Returning to Aldenvale, Diana used the Heart of Eldara to revive the withering lands, heal the sick, and restore hope to her kingdom. The people hailed her as not just their princess but their savior. Yet, Diana did not seek glory. She ensured the artifact was safeguarded and vowed to rule with the same courage and compassion that had guided her on her journey. And so, the legend of Princess Diana, the adventurer who braved darkness to bring light to her people, lived on for generations, a tale of bravery, wisdom, and an unyielding heart.